guys, my name is Chris Hilgeman with SRQ Auto. I realized that we were growing at such a rapid pace that my sales staff couldn't keep up with the amount of leads that we were getting in. I realized that our response times were very long and our production was very low in internet leads. I realized I needed a BDC department at that time. One of my trusted vendors reached out to me and recommended Matt Wadiak. He was very happy to work with independents as well as franchise dealers. And within a short amount of time, he set up a recruiting campaign. We had 40 to 50 applicants and decided to go with 4, a total of 3 BDC and 1 sales. Within a week of training, our BDC department was up and running on day 3, returning phone calls, responding to leads, and being successful. Within the first week, we sold quite a few vehicles, and I'm pleasantly surprised with the amount of time that they were up and running proficiently. I highly recommend Matt Wadiak